Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, open contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap on the camera icon to add a photo, then you have an option to take a photo or to choose a photo. Let's select our photo. Next you have to adjust it here and tap done, and the image will be added. Then save it here, and as you can see now our contact have an avatar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.